Hello student. Now we have seen the types of muscle fibers, that is three types of muscles: skeletal muscles, non-skeletal muscles and the cardiac muscles. For muscle contraction we will discuss the structure of skeletal muscles in detail. We have seen that the skeletal muscles, each cell in a skeletal muscle, it is cylindrical, unbranched and multinucleated. In one muscle fiber or muscle cell there are present more than one nucleus. This condition is called syncyty. Now they also show the presence of dark and light bands on them, and the muscles they are arranged in the skeletal muscles, they are made up of number of muscle bundles. There are a large number of muscle bundles present in each skeletal muscle. These muscle bundles are called muscle fascicles. The different muscle fascicles or the bundles, they are held together by a connective tissue layer which is made up of collagen, and this surrounding sheath is called fascia. Like this, there are many muscle bundles. These are called muscle fascicles. Various muscle bundles are surrounded by, they are enveloped by a sheath of connective tissue which is made up of collagen, and this is called fascia. Now each bundle consists of number of muscle fibers. Each bundle consists of number of muscle fibers, and the muscle fiber, the cell membrane of the muscle fiber, this membrane is called sarcolemma. The cytoplasm in this muscle fiber, it is called sarcoplasm, and the endoplasmic reticulum present inside this muscle fibers is called sarcoplasmic reticulum, which is rich in calcium ions. Each muscle fiber has many filaments which are parallel arranged. This is the muscle fiber. Each muscle fiber has many parallel arranged filaments. These are called myofibrils. And now we will discuss structure of one myofibril. This is the myofibril which shows the presence of dark and light bands on it. If we see carefully, the dark band and the alternate light band, the dark band and the light band. Dark band is called A band. It is made up of protein myosin. The light band is called I band. It is made up of protein. I stands for isotropic, and this is made up of protein actin. Now the dark band, which is called A band or an isotropic band, it is made up of myosin. In the center it has a zone of light color, or there is present a light zone in the center of dark A band. This is called H zone. Similarly, in the light band region, that is the I band, there is in the center there is a dark zone which is called Z line or line of cross, Krause. So in the dark band or the dark zone, that is the A zone, in the center there is a light zone called H zone, और light zone जो कि I बैंड या आई जोन जिसे हम कहते हैं, उसके सेंटर में एक डार्क लाइन है विच इज कॉल्ड जेड लाइन और लाइन ऑफ क्रॉस. द रीजन बिटवीन टू जेड लाइन्स इज कॉल्ड sarcomere. and this sarcomere is the structural and functional unit of a muscle fiber. Z line के बीच में दो रीजन है, उसमें क्या है, एक कंप्लीट डार्क बैंड जिसके सेंटर में क्या है, H जोन, और डार्क बैंड के दोनों साइड्स पे क्या है, हाफ ऑफ द लाइट बैंड. तो द रीजन बिटवीन two Z lines, this is called sarcomere, and this is the structural and functional unit of the muscle fiber. If we see in detail the A band or the dark zone, it is made up of primary myofilaments. These primary myofilaments, they are thick myofilaments, and they are made up of protein myosin. Myosin is a polymerized protein, यानी एक ये complex protein है which is made up of many small monomers, like the various cells, they join together, they to form a tissue. तो repeating unit क्या है tissue की, that is the cell. उसी तरह से जो मायोसिन है वो एक पॉलीमर है, पॉलीमराइज्ड प्रोटीन है, जो कि बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे कौन से प्रोटीन से मिलकर बना है, दैट इज मीरोमायोसिन. अगर हम इस ए बैंड का, प्राइमरी फिलामेंट का, इस थिक फिलामेंट का स्ट्रक्चर देखें तो ये हमको कैसे नज़र आता है. दिस इज मेड अप ऑफ मीरोमायोसिन. मीरोमायोसिन इज कंसिस्ट ऑफ अ टेल एंड अ हेड. हम किसका स्ट्रक्चर देख रहे हैं, इस डार्क बैंड का. डार्क बैंड इज मेड अप ऑफ द मोनोमेरिक प्रोटीन्स मीरोमायोसिन. मीरोमायोसिन कंसिस्ट ऑफ two regions, that is the मीरोमायोसिन tail and the मीरोमायोसिन head. The head is connected to the tail by a short arm, and this region is called heavy मीरोमायोसिन or HMM. And the tail, it is made up of light मीरोमायोसिन, that is called LMM. आप देख सकते हैं कि these मीरोमायोसिन proteins, they are held together by two helical structures, and at the end of this the tail, there is a short cross arm, and then there is a head, globular head, and on the head there are two sites. One is the site for binding of actin, that is the thin filaments अभी देखते हैं, and one site is for the binding of ATP. So this is ATP binding site and this is the actin binding site. The I band consists of the thin filaments, and these are called the actin filaments. If we see in detail the structure of this actin filament or the thin filament, it is made up of two actin strands. This is the structure for this thin filament. It is made up of two strands which are helically coiled around each other. हम ये thin filament, actin filament का structure कर रहे हैं, जिसमें कि अगर इसका डिटेल देखें as through the electron microscope, this is made up of two chains, two helically coiled chains of F actin, and इस एफ एक्टिन के साथ साथ देयर इज ऑल्सो अ चेन, अ हेलिकल चेन विच इज मेड अप ऑफ प्रोटीन ट्रोपोमायोसिन. एंड दिस ट्रोपोमायोसिन ये इस तरह से इस एक्टिन फिलामेंट पे लोकेटेड है कि ये एक्टिन के, एफ एक्टिन के जितने भी एक्टिव साइट्स हैं, सपोज यहाँ एक्टिव साइट है, उन एक्टिव साइट को इसने मास्क किया हुआ. इट कवर्स ऑल द एक्टिव साइट्स ऑन एफ एक्टिन व्हेन द मसल इज नॉट अंडरगोइंग कॉन्ट्रैक्शन. एंड At places there is also present a third protein, troponin, which is distributed at regular intervals on the tropomyosin. तो दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर, दैट इज द डार्क बैंड. यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, तो यहाँ पे ये जो लाइट फिलामेंट्स हैं दे आर ओवरलैपिंग. तो ये वाला जो जोन है हमारे पास, ये कौन सा हो गया, ये वाला, ये सारा कैसा हो गया, डार्क जोन. और डार्क जोन के सेंटर में ये एक लाइन आ गई विच इज़ नॉट ओवरलैप, दिस इज़ द एच जोन. एंड दिस, ये जो है हमारे पास ये कौन से आ गए, लाइट बैंड. और उसके एंड में लाइट के सेंटर में जो है दैट इज़ द जेड लाइन.